these glitters, and I bet you it's gonna make brown. First is orange. I put a little too much in there. Blue. Blue. Yeah. Wow. Red. Yeah. Make sure you got a mixer too. Definitely activator. Purple. Yeah. What dark purple? Green. Dark blue. Looks like a pizza. Well, no, it does not look like a pizza. That'll be the nastiest pizza I ever had before. Yellow. Only two more colors. Pink. And purple. Purple, mate. Let's do some purple. Light purple. And now. And now we're going to mix this. Okay. Now we're going to put on some activator. Not too much as I did. It might be hard as crap. It looks brown. Putting some of this in it. Hey! Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Yeah. Mix well. Yes. Yes, honey, yes. Hey. This is so cute. Move out of the way. This looks ugly. It's like tan. I think it is tan. Funny story. So, I was recording. Well, I wasn't recording. I forgot to press the button right there. And I made this slime. Then, when I was halfway done making it, I looked at the thing and it turned off, and then I didn't do anything. I got so mad. And that's how you make your glitter slime. This ugly colored glitter slime. I don't even know what color this is.